Cut more than one color of material at once. Do you get frustrated by loading and unloading lots of mats when you have a design with many layers or colors? You can save time and headaches by cutting more than one color of a material at once. Just move all cut elements to the same mat in Cricut Design Space, either by making them the same color or by moving them individually on the mat preview screen. To do this, click the three dots in the upper left corner of each cut element and then click Move to Mat. Then you need to position each element in a different corner or section of your cutting mat in the mat preview screen. Once the Cricut knows where to cut everything, put appropriately sized pieces of material in the corresponding sections of your mat. It helps to refer to your mat preview as you place your material. This allows you to cut a ton of different colors at once.